Hey girl, hey, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you girls how I styled this lace frontal wig without plucking. So let's get into it. Alright, so today's wig is being sponsored by Ywigs. This is their curly lace frontal wig. Now as I mentioned earlier in the video, this wig does not come with a pre-plucked hairline or pre-bleached knots. So in this video, I'm sharing with you girls how I styled this wig and how I got it to look so good. So I do need to start off by saying this is an HD clear lace and the parting space on this wig is super bomb. But I will admit I'm not really a fan of plucking the hairline on curly wigs just because it takes way too much time. So I am going to just do the basics with this wig. I'm going to do my part, which is going to be a side part. Okay girls, so now I am pretty much removing the lace and doing a glueless install, and as you can see the lace blends right onto my skin girls, so that's what we need in a HD lace frontal wig. Now again, remember I did not do any plucking, so I'm loving the way this hairline is looking so far. Now I am going to add like a little swoop to the side because I just think that's such a vibe with curly hair, so I'm going to do just such. So first of all, let me tell y'all something. I was going through it in this video with certain clips because I was doing my normal routine with like defining my curls, and girls, some products was not working for this hair. So of course water is going to do what it needs to do. It understands the assignment every single time. So of course I started off with water, and then I went in with the Garnier curling cream. Now this is always a hit, like it's always doing the job. When in doubt, these two combos will never ever fail you. So I'm just going to do a quick close-up so you girls can see the definition in the curls and just how juicy and defined the hair looks. Now I also want you girls to really pay attention to the curl pattern with this wig. So just depending on how I brush my hair, the definition of the curls do change. So it gives more like a tight ringlet, which I'll show again a little later in the video. So here's where I went wrong. So I'm doing my normal routine as I stated before, and I added gel to this hair because I'm thinking it's going to make the curls like super. Girl, look at this. I was so upset. Like, what am I doing? Why is this gel holding his hair down like this? Now, definitely the gel helps curl the hair. However, I wanted my curls to be like those baby doll curls. I really, really love that look. And girl, it just was not doing it with this gel packed in. So I'm having to try to figure out how to get my curls back. Okay, yeah, so I was highly pissed that this is what my curls is looking like after adding gel to this hair texture. So I'm going to go ahead and define the curls on the other side. And I just love the ringlets in this wig. It's just super cute. So I'm going to continue to define the curls on this side. So yeah, girl, I pretty much love this texture, and y'all already know I'm loving the hairline so far. So anyways, what I had to do to fix this other side of the hair was pretty much let it dry, add water, and then go back in with the Garnier curling cream, and that really helped with defining my curls again on this side, because I was highly upset and pissed because I had saw this video or picture that Alonzo Arnold had posted a couple of days ago, and I was like, his hair is so cute, and his hair was very similar to this wig with the curl pattern. So I was like, okay, yes, let me try to recreate his look. And girl, let me tell you something, when I realized the curl pattern was the same, I was super excited. So I am loving this wig simply because of that. So yeah, girl, it's been a minute since I've done a wig for Ywigs, but girl, when I tell you Ywigs never disappoints, I say this in like every video that I do with Ywigs. When I tell y'all, they know what to do. I promise y'all, you will never go wrong with a Ywigs. Look at this wig, girl. Look at this hairline. Look at these curls. And I also have this wig in a recent vlog that you girls was asking what wig I was wearing, and it's definitely this wig. So I'm going to make sure I have all the details about this beautiful wig, of course, below, and then also saving you girls some money by using the coupon code listed in the description bar. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you girls in the next one, of course. Bye.